Hey guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you don't know who I am, I'm mainly on Instagram at Lauren Eva Sheriff. I do fashion and lifestyle, but today I'm going to do an under 5-minute beachy hair, wavy hair tutorial per request from Instagram. So subscribe below if you aren't subscribed, or follow me on Instagram at Lauren Eva Sheriff. I've had so many requests on this hairstyle. It's just a very easy under 5-minute beachy hair, if you will, or loose waves tutorial. If you're in a rush, it is a great hairstyle that will give you some volume and make you feel put together in under 5 minutes. I keep saying that because it literally takes under 5 minutes, which is amazing. So let's just jump right in. I'm going to share with you guys how I've got this hair or this hair right here. So keep on watching. So to start, my hair, I actually waved it this week, so it has a little bit of wave to it. So I'm just going to go over my waves, kind of retouch them. Or this one's not really a wave, this one's like more straight. But I'm going to retouch them in under 5 minutes, or like 5 minutes-ish, but it should honestly take under 5 minutes to do this hairstyle. Firstly, you're going to need a curling wand. This one is T3. I think this is the 1-inch barrel. It's either 1 inch or 1.5 inches. I love this. It works amazing. It's easy to use, and it's pretty hot too. So to do the under 5-minute tutorial, you're going to focus on curling the top of your hair. But before we start curling, you always want a good heat protectant that will keep your hair safe. I'm actually wearing the Barefoot Blonde fill-ins with, I don't know what the regular ones are, I guess the classic extensions. I just cut them on the bottom, but I still always spray my extensions with heat protectant because I don't want them to get damaged. And of course, as I'm curling, some of my actual hair is going to get into the wand. I recommend the Way Memory Mist. I've been using this probably for the past year, so more recently, and I've had it for like, this bottle I've had for a really long time, and it's at the end of its life, so it lasts a long time. I think it's like $39 Canadian, but it's the best heat protectant. It's just like a spray, so I just spray it over my extensions. You don't really need much. Okay, now we're ready to curl. So whether you do a straight part or a side part, doesn't matter. Just pick a piece of hair. Sometimes I will like take like the bang part of my hair and kind of move it back. I want to get that curled. You can just put it in if you like it like a little wavy as well. Take about a 1-inch section. I'm just looking in the mirror, which is why I'm not looking at the camera. And you're gonna wrap your hair towards your face. So the end should be facing towards you. You don't have to do that. You can go either which way direction that you prefer, but I like it this way. And you're just gonna point your T3 down and hold your hair like this for a couple of seconds. Not long. Like I said, I already have waves in it, so I didn't have to hairspray it. But if your hair is clean, then you want to put some hairspray in it. And I'd recommend hairspraying it before you curl it. And you have like a chunky curl, which we're going to deal with after. Now we're going to take another top section and do the exact same thing over and over again. And the best part of this hairstyle is, like I said, it takes under 5 minutes, and you just curl the top of your hair because when you brush it out, it kind of blends with the bottom. If you have more time, obviously, you can curl the bottom and have more waves, but I kind of like this look for like a more casual, laid-back sort of vibe. It kind of has the beach wave vibes, and as you can see, they're like hard because there's so much hairspray in them. And then I usually go to the back. The back is the hardest to curl ever, if I can find a piece. Just so the back doesn't look completely straight. Same thing, curl away. Hold from like 10 to 15 seconds, I would say. It's probably a good amount of time. I'd recommend like day 2 or day 3 hair. If your hair is too clean, it just doesn't hold a curl, even with hair extensions. So I'm just gonna leave this like this for now. It's gonna look kind of crazy, but I promise it's gonna look good at the end. I'm gonna do the same thing. This is my real hair. I like to move it. I actually blend it when I brush it. I don't blend it when I use the wand. My hair is kind of short, so I don't like how it looks. So the same thing on this side. You're gonna curl the hair towards your face. So it looks like it's pointing like towards you guys, but it's towards my face if you wrapped it one more time. Hold it a few more seconds. You can also do this with your hair straightener as well. It'd be a little bit, I find when you use a hair straightener or curl your hair, it has like a little bit more of a curl to it, even if you brush it out. But you can still get similar results with the hair straightener. So let me know if you want to see that. I can do like probably like a full head with the hair straightener for you guys who don't have a wand. And you can use like any wand, but T3 is my favorite. But I used to only curl my hair with my hair straightener, so it really works. We're almost done. This has to be under 5 minutes. Okay, one last strand. And we're almost there. So basically, I curled 6 strands of hair, depending on how long your hair is. Even with long hair, I feel like you could do this under 5 minutes. It's just so quick and easy. All right, so my hair is almost there. It kind of looks well now. As you can see, it's like very like thick. Like, I don't know, the curls just seem like thick, and it doesn't look wavy at all, but just 1 second, we'll brush it out. Okay, so you want to grab your hairbrush next, and all you're going to do is start from the bottoms and brush out your curl. Depending how like wavy you want it, you can brush it like a little bit more. This will definitely stay because I have so much hairspray in it. So as you can see, this one is actually like more of a big loose wave than a beachy wave, but you can do like small sections, and instead of just going towards your face, you can go back and forth, towards and away. But this is how I usually do it. I don't usually go towards and away. I just feel like it doesn't suit me too much. And don't worry about it being perfect on each side. Waves are supposed to kind of be different. It just makes it look, I think, I don't know, more organic, if that works. And there you are, literally under 5 minute waves. Great for in a rush. I always use it like I said, and we didn't even do anything to the bottom. You could, if you want, like my hair is kind of, my extensions are kind of like, I don't know, they're not really wavy, but they're not pin straight, so I feel like it works. If you have pin straight hair at the bottom, obviously I would just like quickly, you can use your wand and hold the hair in the wand for less than 10 seconds, just get like a slight wave. And then to finish, I have my Kerastase K Lac Noir. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is my favorite hairspray. It really works against humidity. And like I said, there's so much hairspray in my hair, so I'm not going to put too much in, just a little bit. And I try to avoid getting my actual hairspray just so it doesn't get dirty faster than it needs to. Let's do a quick spray. There we go. And just like the picture I showed you guys at the beginning, you can add hair clips. I'm just going to leave it like this today without the hair clips. And yeah, that is it. Super easy. Waves, beach curls, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see me curl my hair with my hair straightener next, or do like a full head, or any other ideas you have below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.